Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats, and today we are making this yummy cream cheese fruit dip. It is so easy to make. It comes together in just minutes, so let's get started. Okay, so first thing, we're gonna add in 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. You guys gotta make sure you leave this out for about an hour or so before we actually make it. We're gonna stick this in our mixer and whip it up. Next, we're gonna add in our powdered sugar. Vanilla. And we have a couple tablespoons of heavy cream. Now I'm just gonna scrape down the sides to make sure everything is mixed together. And I really like to mix it good. I wanna make sure that there's not any cream cheese chunks in there. I like cream cheese, but I don't like chunks of it when I'm having my fruit dip, so. Next, we are gonna add in 3/4 of a cup of marshmallow fluff. And this stuff is a little bit hard to work with, so just be ready for a big sticky mess. It is so delicious though, you've gotta have it in there. That is literally it. It's the easiest recipe ever. I've got just some fruit cut up here. You guys can use whatever you want. I just feel like the easiest things to dip in this are strawberries and grapes. I've also cut up some pineapple. Mango would be super yummy. But I'm just gonna pour this into here. You can definitely let this sit in the fridge for 30 minutes or so. It'll get extra yummy then. And if you wanna prep this ahead of a party or anything like that, you definitely can. It's just a really simple recipe and everybody loves it. So you guys let me know if you decide to make this weekend. I think it's a great recipe because everybody's always busy on the weekends, especially Memorial Day weekend. If you're on the boat or at the pool, it's just a great thing to whip up and everybody will be super impressed. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you next time.